Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm heading to work here. Just trying to do a quick little video today. So I'm gonna go up here. I'm trying to decide what vehicle I want to kind of take today, because it's man, it's been raining like all week. You know, I don't know if I want to take Bullseye here, you know, or if I want to take Bullseye, or if I should take Blue Ash. You know, Blue Ash is looking good, but I tell you, I know I'm not gonna take Blue Ash stuff. I was hoping to wash Bullseye today and stuff, but I don't know. I may just take my other vehicle and stuff. All right, that seemed like it's some pretty good light there. And hey, if I didn't let you guys know, I'm back with another video, guys. Hey, and if you guys are new to my channel, you watching Classic Chevy with CJ, and this is where we do it yourself and we have fun doing it. So today is going to be a good day. If I can, you know, unfortunately I can't control the weather. I've been doing a lot of filming while it's been drizzling and raining, and I'm telling you, it sucks, guys. But hey, I'm still hustling. I'm still, you know, making these videos, guys, good informative videos. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the Tanu cover, as far as the little tech videos. Hopefully on Tuesdays I'll be dropping those and stuff if I can, you know, depending on how much stuff I start ordering for the trucks and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. I'm actually heading to work, and you guys follow me along today, and I'll turn you guys back on once I get to the shop. All right, guys, we just got UPS just came in and dropped off all our inventory for the day. This is just one cigar company here, guys. This is Rocky Patel. Got some new stuff. They got some new product that came in here. Number 6, LB1. All right, you guys having some babies out there. That's a boy. All right, so we'll be putting all that stuff up today. Let's get to work. All right, so let's go in here and let's take a little walk around, guys. I'm gonna show you the little humidor I got. I don't think I've ever showed you guys my place really where I work. I think I've recorded a few intros and stuff from the videos that I'm editing and stuff. So see if I can, here we go, get a good shot of me on there. So I think I've done a little intros and stuff of my shop, but I never really took you guys for a little tour of my shop and stuff, guys. So this is basically the walk-in humidor. I actually have one of the largest walk-in humidors in the Tri-Cities as far as cigars and stuff, guys. I know so this right here actually is this is one of our house cigars, and this is the same cigar that I actually have on the side of my panel truck dedicated to my father-in-law. And the theory behind this cigar here, he had a blend that he really enjoyed. So I actually, probably about 7 years ago, found a place in Miami that actually hand make these cigars, and they I give him the type of blend. He liked Dominican and Nicaraguan tobacco, and he liked the sun-grown and also Maduro wrapper. And that's his initials there. As you see, it says JFL, John Frederick Leonard. And he actually started the business in 1981. And he was one time a baseball scout for the White Sox, the local minor league team we had here. And as you see, it's the baseball diamond with his initials in the middle, surrounded by gold leaves. And they got our business is ST is Sidetrack Tobacco right there. Focus in. Sidetrack Tobacco, and started in 1981. This is, and basically a lot of people was like, well, what is a humidor? Well, a humidor is just like a wine cellar, guys. This is it's called an aging room, okay? So, and you can put cigars in here for years. Unfortunately, these cigars, they don't last very long. It's a good turnover time, so, and that's what I like about these cigars. We don't have a lot of boutique cigars, but the ones that we do have, they don't last long as well. They go pretty fast. And that's my humidification system up there. You got water. It runs in here, and it runs through that system there, and it comes out. That's all the humidity comes out the top there, and it keeps the whole room at a good temperature. All these, they're flavored cigars, majority of them. And we got a center aisle as well. So hey, if you guys are ever in the area of Bristol, Virginia, Tennessee, we're right there on the border of the Tennessee border and also the Virginia line. You can walk right across the street and you can be in Tennessee, and I'm on the Virginia side. So I just want to give you guys a quick view of my business and what I'm doing. Basically, when I'm not making videos for you guys, this is where I'm at, paying the bills, you know. So I'd probably turn you guys back on, like I said, once I get off work and we get into something else, guys. I appreciate you. Hey guys, I was in the shop, man. I saw these three young cats walking down the street, man, and I just wanted to holler at them and stuff. I'm gonna let them give themselves a shout out and stuff, man. I got one guy up here. His name is Cody. He's rocking a Fresh Prince of Bel-Air high top fade and stuff. You know, jump. You know, I like that, man. Old crisscross up in here. That's what they kind of remind me of, all three of them. But Cody said he was a rapper, guys. So I'm gonna let the other two introduce their names. What's your name, big guy?
I'm Nick.
Nick, what's up, Nick?
I'm Quentin.
Quentin, what's up, Quentin? And what's your name? Here go Cody right here. Go ahead, introduce yourself, Cody. Tell them where you from, man.
Cody, I'm from Baltimore.
Be more.
And I just recently figured out that I can rap a little bit.
All right.
Just trying to make it a little funny.
Hey, that's what it's about, man. So, hey, just give me one little verse, man. You don't have to go all out, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
I know I'm putting you on the spot, but hey, do what you do, baby. Go ahead, Cody.
Alright.
You need a beat or what?
Yeah,
Are you not real? Oh, he said not really. Okay, go ahead, Cody. It's all good. Hey, that's all right. Hey, I clip it, man. I splice it. I'll make you look good once you get through with it.
Alright, hey. Me and Q, you already knew. We grew. Brothers forever. Brothers together forever and ever. Toe to toe. Bro to bro.
Hey, that's all. Hey, that's cool, brother. Hey, I appreciate you spitting a little bit, Cody, man. That's what it's about. When somebody asks you to do something on the spot, you never know, right? You never know, man. So I appreciate it, man, and stuff. And I just wanted to get you on camera, Cody. Y'all be good.
Hey, go like his YouTube.
All right, there you go.
Hit that subscribe button too.
There we go, man. Hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out, man. Trying to show the young blood some love and stuff. You guys be positive. Have a good day, guys. All right. All right, guys.
Have a good day.
There's never a dull moment over here, guys. I just like to give the youngsters a hard time, man. See what those young brothers are doing and stuff. And you know, hey, I used to do the same thing when I was younger, man. You know, walking up and down the streets with my homies and stuff. So I just gave those guys a little shout out, man. And stuff. They're just kids around the neighborhood having fun, having a good time. And you know, that's what it's about, man. They ain't trying to get in no trouble. They ain't trying to get in no trouble or anything. You know, they're just hanging with each other, hanging out, man. In the summertime, they ain't wearing their masks, but I should have got on them about that. You know, they ain't wearing their masks, but anyway, those guys just doing their thing. I told Cody, he said he was a rapper, man, so I put him on the spot. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, but he gave me a little verse and stuff. He was a little scared at first and stuff. I told him, hey, it's all good, man. It's all in fun. So let me get back up in here, guys, and do a little work, man. I'm up here harassing people today. But anyway, I'll turn you guys back on in a second. All right, it's time to get to work, guys. Time to put some work in. Let's put these cigars up on the shelf. And, all right, guys, so you guys are hanging out with the Cigar Man today. We're putting up all kinds of stuff, new stock stuff in a humidor. This is a Rocky Patel number 6. And this is gonna be a good smoke there, guys. So I'm just putting little things up in here so far. We got all kinds of stuff up in here. If you guys ever in the area, come and hang out with the Cigar Man at the shop, man. And we got plenty of smokes for you. So hey, today we're paying the bills, we're working in the shop, but this evening we'll be working on some cars. So come and hang out with me. Hey, we're lit over here, guys, and I got all kinds of stuff going on. So don't miss out. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm about to drop tomorrow. Hey, I'm gonna turn you guys back on once I get off. Hopefully I go and wash the truck this evening, and I'll take you guys along for the ride with me when I take care of old Bullseye. So let's get out of here and do some work. And I'm back, guys. As you guys see, I'm in Bullseye. I just got off work, so I'm gonna take her to go wash it up. And I need to stop and get some gas and stuff. I tell you, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, man. It's been a long day today, but it's been a fun day. I basically just took you guys along for a ride just to see what I do during the day, during the evening time when I'm not making my videos for YouTube. But I also want to let you guys know, hopefully you guys checked out the video I dropped yesterday. I'm gonna try to do a little tech videos on Tuesday and stuff, and hopefully you guys checked that video out yesterday that I dropped. And let me see here, what's up? And hopefully you guys I got a lot of stuff going on this week, man. I got 2 car reviews that I'm doing. I'll be doing a 67 Mustang. I told you guys that this morning. I know, like I said, if you guys, am I too far back? I think that'll be good. Yeah, so I got a video Friday that I'll be dropping, guys. And that's on the 67 Mustang. That's how I get to my gas tank there. Show you guys. I think that's pretty neat. I always raise it up. That's how I raise it up to get my gas at the pump here. So you guys check that video out Friday. I should be dropping. And then I'm also gonna drop a video Sunday. That's gonna be a really cool video, guys. It's gonna be another truck review. It's a C10 pickup truck. It's a resto mod. My buddy Gary Baker. All right, guys, let me turn this around so y'all guys can see that gas down in there like that. So anyway, while I'm getting gas, guys, I just want y'all, man, what is going on with this pump? What the heck? Enter my phone number. The crap. So anyway, guys, I want you guys, before, I don't want to make this too long, I just want to let you guys know, check out that video Friday that I'll be doing a car review on that 67 fastback Mustang. So you guys, I'll be dropping that on Friday, and then on Sunday I'll also be dropping a video with the 1971 C10 pickup truck. So you guys check that out on Sunday. I'll probably be dropping that one around noontime. So hey, I'm trying to get these videos out for you guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me at work today, and I didn't want to make this video too long, but it was fun, and I'm gonna let you guys go. So like I always tell people, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them. CJ, I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.